Hello everyone. Today we're doing TryHackMe's Red Capture the Flag. So we'll set our IP. Alright, so we'll do an Nmap scan. We get 22 and 80, so we'll do a Feroxbuster. This is definitely a file inclusion. So up here we'll do a see it's got the requested resource. Alright, so we have this. Let's change this to we have to change it to a PHP filter. So PHP. So what did I do? I'm gonna do that. So it's filtering for path traversal, but it's doing it before the read. So we can just do Etsy host instead. Not Etsy host, but Etsy password. So we get users red and blue, obviously from the names or the name of the during the description. So if we just do try to read their files. And the red rules did a hashcat command. So let's copy that. So they did a hashcat on a folder reminder in the home directory, and then made a rule list. So my computer doesn't have 64. I have 66. Then I'm going to change this to just word dot text. So since there's a file called reminder in that directory, we can just get that. And we get the word that they used. So copy that, and then we'll copy that Hashcat command. So we get all those passwords. So then we're going to use Hydra. So it would be sudo Hydra L blue Then we give it the thread flag for 4, the F flag to quit when it finds the right password, and then the capital V for verbose. What do I do? Why is this not working? Oh. There we go. The password changes like once a minute, so you got to be quick with logging in and stuff. Be the last one watch. So he'll kick you out if you have a TTY shell. So you got to give it the capital T flag to not have a TTY shell. There's the first flag. So if we just do PS aux, we see that there's a process running from user red, and it's doing redrules.thm on 9001. So if we put our IP in the host file and set up a listener for this, we can intercept whatever this is running. So we'll set up a netcat listener for 9001, and then we'll come over here and we'll do echo your IP space red, what was it, red rules, redrules.thm, double redirect into the Etsy host file so it doesn't read over everything. There's a cleanup script that runs on the Etsy host, so you gotta sometimes run it multiple times. I don't know if the quotes change the way it works. Let's try this one. I don't know why it's not doing it. So it just takes a time. See, now they're gone. Oh, there it goes. I got it. I don't know why it took so long. So we got the second flag. Where's the third flag? So if you just do LSLA, you see a GitHub directory. So we'll go. So we go there. Then you'll want this one right here, the home kit. So we'll copy this. We're going to Notepad. So we'll use it later. We'll just change the name of it. I'm going to put this as HomeKit 1. And this is HomeKit 1. And then we'll get the clone. So we'll just use that. Well, we got to change the. We'll do nano. Modify the C file. And you'll go down to right here where it says user bin, the directory where it's at. We're going to change this to the directory that it's at on this machine, which is home red dot git is where it's at. So then we'll just save that. Change the name to the one that we were changing to. Yes, yes. And then we'll copy this command. So we'll start a Python server. And then over here on this machine, we'll change directory, temp, and then we get our file from our machine. And then we'll chmod it right after that to make it executable. And then we'll do one more command after that to just run it. What did I do? Oh, so totally dumb. There we go. On my root. That's the last flag. Like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, requests, or anything, let me know. Hit me up. Peace.